Microsoft DP-800 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. You need to generate embeddings to resolve issues where analysts find it difficult to find similar incidents based on details like weather, traffic conditions, and location. Which column should you use? A. Vehicle location. B. Incident description. C. Incident type. D. Severity score. The answer is B. The correct column is "incident description" because embeddings are intended to represent the semantic meaning of rich textual content rather than simple categorical or numeric values. Descriptive context like weather and traffic is typically captured in a free text field, allowing an embedding to encode these narrative details for semantic search and retrieval augmented generation (RAG) retrieval. The development team needs a solution to retrieve live metadata from databases using Visual Studio Code and GitHub Copilot. What should you recommend? A. Export the database schema as a DACPAC file. B. Add the schema to a GitHub Copilot instruction file. C. Use a Model Context Protocol (MCP) server. D. Include the database project in the code repository. The answer is C. Using an MCP server is the exam-aligned mechanism for enabling AI-assisted tools to work with live database context rather than static snapshots. Microsoft documentation for GitHub Copilot with the MS SQL extension supports using MCP to connect to external systems and data sources through discoverable endpoints. Contoso's ingestion pipeline sometimes fails due to malformed JSON and duplicate payloads. Which two actions should you recommend? A. Enable snapshot isolation on the database. B. Add a check constraint that validates the JSON structure. C. Create a unique index on a hash of the payload. D. Add foreign key constraints on the table. The answer is B. C. A "check" constraint using the "isjson" function ensures that stored text is properly formatted. To address duplicate payloads, creating a unique index on a persisted hash-based computed column, using "hashbytes" is an efficient way to reject duplicates. You need to enable similarity search to retrieve the most relevant health summary reports while minimizing latency. The table already includes an embeddings vector 1536 column. What should you include in the solution? A. A standard non-clustered index on the vector column. B. A full text index on the vector column. C. A vector index on the vector column. D. A computed column that manually compares vector values. The answer is C. A vector index is purpose-built for finding similar vectors efficiently using approximate nearest neighbor (ANN) search. Standard B-tree non-clustered indexes and full-text indexes are not designed for numeric vector similarity operations. You have a RAG service that passes order details to a large language model, LLM. Which transact SQL command should you use to generate a nested array of line items within each order? A. For JSON path. B. JSON_query. C. JSON underscore value D OPENJSON. The answer is B. JSON underscore query is used when you want to return a JSON object or array to preserve a JSON fragment as a proper nested structure. In contrast, JSON underscore value is used for extracting a single scalar value, like a string or number, and for JSON path is used to serialize the overall relational query results into JSON format. To minimize token usage when sending data to an LLM for grounding, which field should typically be omitted from the JSON context if it has no semantic value? A. Product name. B. FAQ question. C. FAQ ID. D. FAQ answer. The answer is C. Technical identifiers like FAQ ID generally add no semantic value for response generation and waste tokens. Meaningful fields like product name question and answer should be kept because they provide the necessary context for the model to understand the domain and the specific Q&A pair. You need to call an Azure OpenAI REST endpoint from SQL Server 2025 with the highest level of security. The instance has managed identity enabled. What is the preferred authentication method? A. Database scoped credential with an API key. B. Database scoped credential with identity equals managed identity. C. Shared access signature, SAS. D. HTTP header credentials with a rotated key. The answer is B. For maximum security, Microsoft recommends using managed identity because it avoids the need to manually store, manage, or rotate secret API keys. For Azure OpenAI, the credential secret should use the Cognitive Services Resource Identifier. A database contains 2 million articles with embeddings that are updated frequently. Users report that semantic search results do not reflect updates until the next day. How should you ensure embeddings are updated while minimizing CPU usage on the database? A. Create a trigger that calls AI_generate_ embeddings for each row. B. Run an hourly job to regenerate all embeddings. C. Enable Change Data Capture, CDC, and use an external Azure function to process changes. D. Modify the query to use vector_distance instead of vector_search. The answer is C. CDC tracks row-level changes, allowing an external process like an Azure function to regenerate embeddings only for the rows that actually changed. This avoids the high CPU cost of running AI generation inline during transactions, triggers, or wastefully recalculating unchanged rows, hourly jobs. You are implementing a hybrid search that returns the top 20 results based on 60% vector distance and 40% full text rank. Which function should you use to retrieve the exact distance for this formula? A. Vector_search. B. Vector_distance. C. Vector_normalize. D. VECTORPROPERTY. The answer is B. vector underscore distance returns the exact distance between two vectors, which is required when building a custom weighted formula. While vector underscore search is better for high performance and retrieval, it does not provide the specific numeric distance values needed for this mathematical ranking calculation. To filter a table with 120 million rows by a single calendar day efficiently, SAR Gable. Which pattern should you use in your where clause? A. Where convert, char, 10, create date, 121, equals at date string. B. Where create date greater than equals at start date and create date less than at end date. C. Where date diff, day, create date, get date, equals 0. D. Where year, create date, equals 2024 and month, create date, equals 1. The answer is B. Using a half-open range, greater than equals and less than on the column itself is the correct SAR Gable design because it avoids wrapping the column in a function. This allows the SQL optimizer to use an index on create date for an efficient seek. Wrapping the column in convert or date diff prevents index seeks and forces a full table scan.